Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are in the world today. So, in this video, I want to introduce you guys to Club Cash Fund. Now, Club Cash Fund is one of those mailbox money programs that are all the rage over social media. Okay, if you're not familiar with the term mailbox money, basically it means that you're getting cash delivered to your mailbox on a regular basis. Okay, through a program that offers products and services that any marketer can use. All right. With Club Cash Fund, it's a little bit different though, because with Club Cash Fund, you don't have to do any mailings, okay? You don't have to buy any stamps. You don't have to stuff any envelopes or anything like that. All you have to do is just get prospects to your website and fill out their information in the capture page. Now, once you drive traffic to your site and they fill out the information, they're going to be sent a free kit by the company, okay? Once that person signs up, they send in their payment, you get paid. Pretty simple, right? And again, there's no mailings on your part, there's no stamps or anything like that. All right. Now, what's great about it as well, I'm show you some of the products that you get with it. These are some of the standard products that you get. You get the email profits bootcamp, and you get Facebook training basically as well. Now you do have the option to upgrade to a pro membership, okay, and earn even more. But again, that's your choice. For me personally, I just wanted the standard membership, so I decided to stick with that. I paid my one-time fee, and I have access to these two courses, which are pretty good. Not only that, but also I have a website that does all the tracking for me. Okay, and the company also has its own co-op advertising, which is one of the main reasons why you don't have to worry about doing the mailings yourself. The company takes care of that for you. So if there's a person that doesn't have a sponsor that wants to sign up for Club Cash, excuse me, what they can do, they'll be sent a free starter kit, a free random starter kit with a certain person's information. Okay, and it's basically a rotator, so the links rotate to make it fair for everyone else. All right. Now, as you can see here, I've had 7 hits so far, but what I like to do myself is to drive traffic to my own site. So this is the link that I have here, and this is the same link that you'll get when you join. You can drive traffic to your site simply by promoting your link on social media, online, offline, however you choose to do it. All right. Now, as you can see my stats here, I have 422 hits, 5 leads, and 2 people that have requested information so far. Okay. Now, I've just started really getting back into promoting this opportunity. I had it before, but I didn't really promote it at that time because I was doing some other things. But now I wanted to get back into it, and I'm currently starting over again. So, not only can you also track your leads, track your stats? You'll also track your leads. You can also track the number of kits that are sent out on your behalf, your team, and the sales that are being made. So let me go back to the home page real quick. So one of the things that you'll notice, let's see, I have a pending mailing, so someone is going to be receiving a kit from me soon. The company is going to send out that kit, and then I already have one that was already mailed out. All right, so no direct referrals as of yet, and no earnings as of yet. Okay. But this, to me, is honestly the easiest way for someone who wants to get involved with mailbox money but doesn't want to have the hassle of doing the mailings themselves, doesn't want to have the hassle of folding the stamps, folding the envelopes, the letters and the envelopes and stamps and all that stuff. Okay? This is a great way to get started with it. All right. Now, if you want information on this, my link is going to be in the description section of this video, in the comment section. You can check it out. And I highly encourage a lot of people to get started with an opportunity like this because, again, mailing letters is time consuming. Okay, now I know a lot of people don't mind doing that, and that's cool. But there are people that do mind doing that and don't really have the time to fold the letters. So this is a great way for you to earn mailbox money without actually having to do the mailings yourself. Okay, so with that being said, guys, check it out. Link's gonna be in the description. I hope to hear from some of you guys soon. And it's a free kit, by the way, that you're sending for. Once you click on the link, it'll take you to a web page. All you do is fill out your information and then request the kit. That's it. Once you get your kit, you can check it out and make the decision for yourself if you want to get started with the opportunity or not. Again, this is something that I feel that anyone can do. Very easy to do, very simple to set up, very forward. Okay. So with that being said, guys, I hope to hear from some of you soon. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your Saturday. Okay. Enjoy the day. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Take care.